Hello and welcome back to another episode of Once Upon a Good Time and happy holidays.
Happy holidays, everybody.
And today we are back for the second time at Taste of Mary Farm. We're going to try new stuff that we haven't tried yet. There's a lot of stuff that we were looking forward to. We want to show you.
Yes.
So grab an appetite and let's have a good time.
We are trying the pulled pork mac and cheese. It is definitely our favorite. It's our first item of the day. So let me try it for the second time.
Second time's a charm.
If you guys haven't got this already, you're missing out.
Has a little wang to it.
It's very creamy. This macaroni and cheese is so creamy. The pulled pork, 10 out of 10 right here.
Now wash it down with one of those.
And cheers.
So now we're trying the pineapple hard cider. It looks really refreshing this time of year.
Yes.
So let's see how this works.
Pinky up.
Smooth. It's really delicious. It is like pineapple. You can see all the fizz is bubbling. I recommend this. I'll give this an 8.
8? 8 out of 10?
Yeah.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
Second item, this is called the gyro. It's with the butter squash slaw, pickled red onions, and a naan bun. Kind of looks like their version of a ronto wrap over there at Galaxy's Edge, but
Which we do miss.
This will have to do for now. So,
yeah. Enjoy.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it. It's pretty much the same concept. You see that?
Yeah.
It's like the same size, too.
Let me know what you think.
Let's do this. Let me get one more bite. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I can taste the slaw. Is it tasting good? This cream right here? I give it like about an 8. I think the ronto wrap's a little bit better, but...
So now it's my turn to try the gyro. And I heard high expectations about this, so I'm going to give this a try. What do you think of my nose? Yeah, you can taste the coleslaw. It's not bad. It's good. Not as good as a ronto wrap.
No.
But you know,
ronto wrap's better.
I'll give it a 4.
A 4? 4 out of 5?
But we had to try.
Cheers.
What do you see?
Look at these masks right here. Frida Kahlo in here. The sugar skulls. Selena. Like, that is so beautiful.
Pretty.
I think
Very
I'm gonna
pretty.
get at least a couple.
Yeah, you should get one. I like that. The sunflower's nice. One's very pretty.
Yes, well, we'll see about that. The law is on my side. Thank you very much. Don't forget that. She's going, where is that coming from? It's that old man standing on the roof. Oh, there's pointing things at me again. Yes! Don't forget the money you owe me. It's delayed. I'm tripling your interest. Till tomorrow, December 25th. Or I take the house. And somebody else has already taken the house.
Oh.
The next step is debtor's prison. But you're no good to me there, so I hope you pay up.
Will do.
Will do.
Hello.
Hello there, darlings. How are we all doing today?
Good.
Wow, how are you?
Marvellous. All on our best behaviour, I hope.
Yes, we are.
Good. I don't want to see any of your names on the naughty list. But it looks like we're all having a wonderful time today, eating lots of sweets and treats, I hope.
Yes.
Wonderful, wonderful dears. Well, in that case, I will let the big man know himself that you are all on the nice list this year.
Thank you.
Enjoy
So
the rest
wonderful.
of your days, my darlings. Captain Tchaikovsky at your service if you do need anything. Cheers, darling.
Cheers.
Alright, you guys, so this is our third item of the day. This is called the breakfast on a stick. So it looks like your average corn dog, but little do you know, it's a sausage link and it has pancake batter. So let's give this a shot. They give you a little side of syrup. I'm gonna dip it in here. Alright, let's give it a shot. Oh my god.
Is that good or bad?
It's freaking delicious. 10 out of 10.
There you go.
10 out of 10. That sausage, you see how juicy it is?
We recommend
It's very
getting the breakfast on a stick.
Damn, it's good. I recommend you get this.
So now it's my turn to try this breakfast on a stick, and I've been hearing high reviews, high ratings, so let's give this a try.
That's a good dip, a good dunk right there.
Slam dunk. It's so good when it hits your lips. It's so good. I give it 10.
10 out of 10, you guys.
Recommend it.
Go ahead and try this breakfast on a stick. Don't sleep on it though.
I told
Right?
you, do not sleep on this. Listen to me.
Off we have this alcoholic beverage. It's called the Boysenberry Citrus Mule. Has like a really nice purplish pinkish color. I heard this was really, really good, so let's give it a try. Wow.
Tastes good?
You can taste the boysenberry, the punch. It has that little kick of that citrus. It's actually really good. Nice.
Must try. So now it's my turn to try the Boysenberry Citrus Mule. I've been wanting to try this, and this is our first time trying it. And let's see how this works.
What do you think?
Yeah, this is really good. You can taste the boysenberry, citrus, and a little bit of ginger.
Yeah.
It smells like a boysenberry mojito. You see the little
Yeah.
green mojitos? It's really good. I recommend this. I give this a 10.
Nice. Enjoy. Cheers.
Cheers.
We're trying the turkey balls. See that? It's like nice and loaded. And then it has a little bit of a side of gravy. And then we have these boysenberry Brussels sprouts. See?
Enjoy.
So we're going to dip this. Let's see how this works. See that? Oh my god. It's like Thanksgiving in a bowl.
That good, huh?
10 out of 10. That's actually really, really good.
My turn to try the turkey bites, or the turkey balls, they say. It's funny saying that. But let's give this a try. Been
Enjoy.
hearing, a lot of good reviews.
Enjoy.
I have high expectations for this. Okay, dip this in there. Dip it in the gravy. This is delicious. I can see why they're raving about this. Because you can taste the stuffing, the turkey, potatoes, and a little bit of what? The cranberry?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I rate this a 10. So
10?
we recommend getting the turkey bites.
Mm-hmm.
Near Ghost Rider.
Yep. There you go. Enjoy. The Fiesta Village. Feliz Navidad. See all the wonderful lights that they have. It's like extremely, extremely festive.
Beautiful big Christmas tree. The classic old gold and red Christmas tree. I love it. Looks very festive at night.
So beautiful.
Right? The lights are
Okay, so
out.
our next try is the ham, the honey ham right here. And then we got the potato scallops right here, the cheesy potato scallops. Smells really good. Comes with a big old bread. So let's give it a try. I'm gonna try the ham first. Yeah. Good honey ham.
How is it?
Good. Let me try a scallop. It's good. Let me try it together. Yeah.
So where we're at?
Camp Snoopy. We're looking up lights. Come on, let's go.
So we are at Camp Snoopy right now, enjoying the festivities and the lights.
Beautiful lights.
Beautiful lights. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. See that? Everyone should come.
Alright everybody, so now we got the hot chocolate and it came with a candy cane. I thought that's really cool. It's getting really cold right now, so that's why
Perfect
we're
time.
a little bit warm. It has whipped cream too, so let's try. Sure, it's good. Perfect. It's a little bit watered down, kind of, but for the most part, it's hitting the spot.
Now we're trying boysenberry cobbler, and they said it was a really good, strong drink. You know, it's very cold outside. You need something to keep you warm. So let's give this a try. So look, guys. Wow. It's a boysenberry, like with a hint of sour apple. Not bad. I think it's good.
Good?
It's a little bit of sour. I'll give this a 7.
Alright.
Cheers, happy holidays, guys.
Cheers! Hi everybody.
Hey, so looking behind us, it's so festive with the lights.
Yeah, it's
Knotts went all out.
So gorgeous, so festive. You can already feel the Christmas spirit here.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, they're beating Disneyland.
Yeah, sorry Disneyland, but Knott's they deserve a golden trophy right now.
Yep.
Knott's, look, take a look at it. Closing out this vlog, I want to say thank you so much for tuning in. So once upon a good time, please go to the channel, like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and happy holidays, everybody.
Happy
I hope
holidays.
You enjoyed it with us.
Stay safe.
Stay safe, please.
Love one another. Be positive and like, subscribe. We do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart.
Yes.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.